Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's so wonderful to see you all once again, and I have a very special announcement that I'm really excited to share, which is that we're hosting our very first yoga retreat in India at Kevalyadham. Now, Kevalyadham is the same organization that I've been associated with all my life, that my father is the joint director of in Mumbai. And we're going to be hosting this retreat at Lonavala at the Mother Institute, which is a 180-acre campus, a 100-year-old organization, and of course, it's nestled in the hills of Lonavala. So, super excited to see you for this retreat, and I'm going to go ahead, give you all the details, and we'll see if you can join us for this. So first of all, the best part is that I'm really excited because I get to see so many of my students that I've been teaching across the globe, whether that's from UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, people from London, people from France, Denmark, people from the US, people from India itself, different parts like Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, and so many different people that are going to be a part of this retreat. And I just can't wait to bring that whole community together and experience this in-person magic with all of you. So that's the high point for me. But along with that, I think what's going to be really exciting is that we've planned out these 4 days, making sure that you get a little bit of insight and a little bit of information to all the different areas of yoga, Ayurveda, and naturopathy that we can possibly offer. So what we've planned is that we're going to have different yoga sessions of different types. So one is definitely restorative, slightly more activating styles. And along with that, we're also going to do healing power of yoga therapy and speaking sessions, which are going to be super helpful. And we're also going to have a dance flow movement in there to kind of integrate body work, dance, breath work, meditation. We have a Havan ceremony, which is going to be fantastic to experience. And we're also going to be giving you a campus tour because Kevalyadham is beautiful and it has its own hills, it has its own meditation cave, which is so rare to find. And I think that it's going to be really worth it to go through all of that and to encounter what the place has to offer. So those are some of the activities that we've planned, and we have a limited spots available because obviously we are trying to accommodate a group that we can manage and make sure that we have enough time, space, and attention for everyone joining in. So details and links to this retreat are going to be in the description. I again am very excited to see you all in person, and I think online through COVID we've of course worked through Zoom, and it's especially when we're teaching internationally, we do need to use video conferencing, but I think that meeting people in person has a charm of its own, and just sharing that energy together in a particular room face to face just changes the whole equation and the whole experience. And I think that's what's going to be really exciting this time around. So if you can make it, please do come. The dates are 23rd to 26th May. If you live in India, there are bank holidays on these days. So Thursday is a bank holiday because it is Buddha Purnima, also Vesak, and Saturday is a bank holiday because it's the 4th Saturday of the month. So I look forward to seeing you all that are especially in India, and you can take those holidays and make it happen. Those of you that are joining us internationally, please shoot us an email as well if you have any questions that you'd like to ask us. We'd be very happy to help you out, and me and the team cannot wait to see you. Also, I think what's fascinating for me is I'm going to have my entire family, a lot of the Yogic Gurukul teams, existing students, mentors, and my teachers there. So it's going to be like a very big full circle moment to have everybody in one place. And as you can tell from my voice, from the way I'm speaking, I am really looking forward to this experience. So if you think, even if there's a slight bit of a thing inside you that, yeah, I want to be there, I want to be part of this, please come. I think it's going to be a life-changing experience for all of us, me included, and it would just be lovely to see you. So if you've been thinking about visiting India, Kevalyadham, come in and see us in person. This is it. This is time to make it happen. So definitely join us, and I just cannot wait to see you in person. With that, if you have any questions, any information that you need, All of it will be in the description. Once again, the sign up link is also there. It's also on our website, so you can go ahead and sign up directly. And a lot of people have already begun signing in, so this is going to be the perfect opportunity to meet with us, interact with everyone as part of Yogic Gurukul, and just make it a memory to remember. So I look forward to seeing you super soon. Thank you for always supporting us, for always being there for us, and for encouraging our work. And I really look forward to seeing you in person. Take care, and I can't wait to see you really soon.